Do you like to enjoy sailing on a dream location? Do you want your guests to be safe and comfortable while on board? You are in luck. At Dahlberg, we want your vessel to be in the best condition so you can enjoy it without worries. We are a family business that has become a benchmark in the nautical sector of the Balearic Islands thanks to the quality and experience we offer, and we continue to grow, develop and innovate from generation to generation so that our clients can continue to rely on our services. Dahlberg has 4 divisions: marine electronics, sanitary systems, onboard comfort and safety at sea. We always offer immediate supply, installation or repair with top brands and a large stock of products because we know how important it is that a spare part does not ruin your holiday. Your safety at sea is our goal, and that is why we are a Duarry service station, from where we manage the maintenance of life rafts. Our technical department is certified by Jotron and enables us to carry out the inspection and maintenance of radio beacons, AIS identifiers and SART transponders. Our experience has been a key factor in obtaining the ISO, Lloyd's and UCAS quality seals, as well as being an M1 category installer authorized by the Ministry of Development to install radio communications and radio navigation equipment on any length and in any area of navigation. We are certified in radio communications surveys to carry out inspections on both Spanish and foreign flag vessels. In our website, you can find spare parts, buy them, analyze technical characteristics, see tutorials and recommendations for use, and the most useful advice can be found on our blog. Our technical department is actively involved in racing. Your electronics will be on the best hand when we install and repair them. We know exactly how they must work. If you need to solve any problem on the equipment of the brands we represent, we are your service company. Contact us and you will see firsthand what we can do. Dahlberg, quality and experience at your service since 1974.